Snake plant.
A plant that doesn't demand your constant attention, doesn't wilt the moment you forget to water it, and actually works overtime while you sleep. Meet the snake plant, scientifically known as Sansevieria. With its sleek, sword-like leaves reaching toward the sky, it's often called mother-in-law's tongue because of its sharp, pointed shape. But don't let the nicknames fool you. This plant is one of the friendliest roommates you'll ever have. Most plants follow a simple rule. They take in carbon dioxide during the day and release oxygen. But the snake plant is a rebel. It belongs to a tiny group of plants that can convert CO into fresh oxygen at night. This makes it the ultimate bedroom companion, quietly purifying the air and helping you drift into a deeper, healthier sleep. It's like having a natural air filtration system that never plugs into a wall. Originally hailing from the tropical shores of West Africa, the snake plant is a survivor. It evolves to handle rocky soil and unpredictable rain. This history is exactly why it's so tough today. Whether you live in a sun-drenched apartment or a cozy room with tiny windows, the snake plant adapts. It doesn't ask for much, just a little corner to call its own. You just need a pot with a hole in the bottom and some well-draining soil. Step 1, fill your pot with soil cactus mix is perfect. Step 2, place your plant or even a single leaf cutting into the dirt. Step 3, give it a tiny sip of water and you're done. If you water it every day, you'll actually hurt it. The secret to a happy snake plant is to let it be. Wait until the soil feels like a desert before giving it a drink. It's the perfect plant for the busy professional, the forgetful student, or the traveler. It waits patiently for you, growing slowly but surely, adding a touch of modern elegance to your space. While it loves humans, it's not a fan of curious pets. If you have a cat or dog who likes to nibble on greenery, keep your snake plant on a high shelf or a sturdy stand. It's beautiful to look at, but not meant for snacking. It cleans your air, calms your mind, and asks for almost nothing in return.
Aloe vera.
Aloe vera is a succulent plant that's been used for thousands of years for medicinal, cosmetic, and health purposes. Aloe vera is often called the plant of immortality and is easy to grow at home. It needs little water and lots of sunlight. What is aloe vera? Aloe vera is a thick, short-stemmed plant with fleshy green leaves. Inside the leaves is a clear, gel-like substance that contains many beneficial compounds. What's inside aloe vera? Aloe vera gel contains vitamins A, C, E, Gli12, minerals calcium, magnesium, zinc, enzymes, amino acids, antioxidants, polysaccharides important for healing and hydration. Benefits of aloe vera. 1. Skincare. Soothes burns and sunburn. Help heal cuts, wounds, and acne. Moisturizes skin without making it oily. Reduces inflammation and redness. 2. Hair care. Reduces dandruff. Strengthens hair. Promotes a healthy scalp. Adds shine and moisture. 3. Digestive health. Aloe vera juice may help with acid reflux, constipation in small amounts, irritable bowel symptoms. Overuse can cause cramps or diarrhea. 4. Immune support. Antioxidants help fight free radicals. Supports overall immunity. 5. Oral health. Used in toothpaste and mouthwash. Helps reduce plaque and gum inflammation. Common uses: skin gels and creams, shampoos and conditioners, aloe juice and supplements, home remedies, fresh gel from the plant. Safety tips. Topical use is generally safe. Internal use should be limited and guided by a doctor. Avoid the yellow latex under the skin, it can be harmful. Pregnant or breastfeeding people should avoid consuming it. How to plant aloe vera. Choose the right part. Use a clay or terracotta pot, best for drainage. Make sure it has drainage holes. Pot size. Medium aloe likes slightly tight spaces. Use the right soil. Aloe vera needs well-draining soil. Best options: cactus or succulent soil ideal, or mix, 2 parts garden soil, 1 part sand, 1 part compost. Avoid heavy, wet soil, roots can rot. How to plant. Fill the pot halfway with soil. Place the aloe vera plant upright. Cover roots with soil, don't bury the leaves. Gently press the soil. Do not water immediately, wait 2 to 3 days. Light and location. Needs bright sunlight. 6 to 8 hours of sunlight is best. Indoor, place near a sunny window. Outdoor, partial to full sun. Watering aloe vera. Water once every 2 to 3 weeks. Let soil dry completely before watering again. In winter, water even less once a month. Overwatering is the reason aloe plants die. How to grow aloe vera from a baby plant pup. Aloe vera grows small baby plants called pups. Remove the mother plant from the pot. Gently separate the pup with roots. Let it dry for 24 hours. Plant it in a new pot. Water after 3 to 4 days. Fertilizer optional. Use a succulent fertilizer. Only 1 to 2 times a year, spring, summer. Too much fertilizer harms the plant. Harvesting aloe vera gel. Use a mature leaf, outer leaves. Cut close to the base. Wash and let yellow sap drain out. Use fresh gel for skin or hair.
Peace lily.
The peace lily is a beautiful, low-maintenance indoor plant that purifies air, improves humidity, reduces stress, adds elegance to any space. With proper light and watering, it will reward you with stunning white blooms and lush green leaves. What is a peace lily? Scientific name: Spathyllum. Common name: peace lily. Appearance: dark green, glossy leaves, elegant white flowers. These are actually modified leaves called spathes, not true flowers. Origin: tropical regions of Central and South America. Peace lilies are popular indoor plants because they look graceful and are easy to maintain. Benefits of peace lily: air purifying. Peace lilies help remove indoor air pollutants like formaldehyde, benzene, carbon monoxide, and ammonia. They also help increase indoor humidity, which is good for breathing and skin. Mental and emotional benefits: their calming appearance helps reduce stress and anxiety. They are often associated with peace, harmony, and positivity, which is why they're commonly used in homes and offices. Decorative value: their white blooms give a clean, elegant look that suits bedrooms, living rooms, and workspaces. How to plant a peace lily? What you need: pot with drainage holes, well-draining, rich potting soil, healthy peace lily plant. Steps: fill the pot with soil. Place the plant so the roots are covered but not buried too deeply. Press the soil gently around the roots. Water thoroughly until water drains out the bottom. Keep it in indirect light. How to care for a peace lily? Watering: water when the top inch of soil feels dry. Peace lilies like moist soil but not soggy. If the plant droops, it usually means it needs water. Don't worry, it recovers quickly after watering. Light: prefers bright, indirect sunlight. Too much direct sunlight can burn the leaves. Low light is tolerated, but flowering may reduce. Humidity: loves high humidity. Miss the leaves occasionally or place near other plants. Fertilizing: feed once every 6 to 8 weeks during spring and summer. Use a balanced liquid houseplant fertilizer diluted. Pruning: remove yellow or brown leaves from the base. Cut spent flowers to encourage new growth. Important warnings: toxic to pets and humans if ingested. Keep away from cats, dogs, and children. Sensitive to chemicals. Avoid chlorinated water. Let tap water sit overnight before using.